It hasn't been the most exciting week. However, you have been in the position to protect your capital, as I've advised every single day for you to do exactly that. The reason why this is happening, of course, is because the market is correctly setting itself up for the next move. You've been seeing this every day. I'm not really going to get into as to why, as we've been talking about that a lot this week. So we're going to jump into the 512 to see what's happening there. I do have this marker here to say that it's going to move along and then perhaps jump up to that range. Should that happen, it would take around about 4 days to do so, which means trading right now still isn't recommended. Well, on Bitcoin, of course. Going down to the 128, it appears as if we've got a kill zone formation and a potential move along and perhaps something to that effect. Once again, not recommended right now. The power of MTOPS, or the power of my strategy, is that we know when to trade and when not to trade. So right now is when not to trade. Of course, the weekend's coming up, which means lowered liquidity anyway. And next week should be the week that gives us clarity as to where the market wants to go to next. Until then, we wait. And wait we have. Look at all of that consolidation. Super painful. But again, if you knew how it all worked, it wouldn't have been that painful. Actually, maybe you could have used this time to take a bit of a rest or a break away from the markets. Setting up 5 over there, looking as if we're getting to the end of that transition. However, price would need to break down below that point over there for it to continue the trend correctly. So I'm going to adjust the scaling on this and then reanalyze to see whether or not we have some more downside on this before it moves back up again. All right, so that's the scaling adjustment, just neatening it up here at the time bar at the bottom. And to repeat what I was saying earlier, price needs to get below there so that it can form its next transition and then continue the market's formation that it needs to complete before the end of this cycle. I wish I had more for you guys, but that's just where Bitcoin is right now. If you'd like to get more details as to what gold is doing and to what the Dow Jones is doing, then please come and join us at MTOPS, and I'm happy to walk you through that. Bye for now.